For me, being different by design is a choice.
It means standing out from the crowd.
It means being passionate about what you do and being passionate about what you deliver.
It means caring about what we're doing.
Working with people who enjoy solving problems.
さまざまな文化の中で働くこと。
Tackling problems through a different way of thinking.
Working with some of the brightest minds in our industry and the wider industry, and also I think challenging myself and my teams to provide our clients with solutions which are a step change and different from the norm.
DBD is different because of its people.
When we end up with our solutions, they aren't the solutions that have been solved before.
It makes everyone in the DBD family feel valued, so everyone brings lots of options to the table.
We embed ourselves with the client so we understand exactly what they need and how we can achieve that for them.
We have our more experienced engineers working with new, enthusiastic minds to come up with innovative ideas.
We nurture talent, sponsoring students through university and through the progression of their career with DBD.
And we are different by design.
We are different by design.
We are different by design.
We
are
different
by design.